Did you know Salesforce platforms quietly turn into expensive shelfware when organizations confuse the launch date with the finish line? So, a business that I'm familiar with spent 18 months building Salesforce. Go live happened. Go live. The implementation team disbanded. 6 months later, user satisfaction scores dropped by 40% and nobody knew who to call for changes. They built Salesforce. They built Salesforce like construction. But software is not a building. It is a living system that needs feeding and nurturing. Without a product mindset, platforms become orphans. No roadmap means no direction. No owner means no evolution. The business keeps changing, but Salesforce stays locked in time. Your platform should grow with your business, not freeze on day one. Think about it.